W2829 Boston Tower, runway 33 left, line up and wait. Traffic, 2 helicopters. First one's a mile to the west at 900. It's going to remain west of your departure corridor, has you in sight, maintaining visual separation. The second one is 4 miles north-northeast of the airport at 900, remain north of your departure corridor. Traffic will depart the crossing runway and crossbound field.
Line up wait, 33 left, copy all the traffic, JetBlue 2829.
318 traffic will hold the crossing runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27, Delta 318.
1007 Boston Tower Company will hold in position, cross runway 33 left, Delta.
Delta, 1007.
Regard 5755, runway 27, line up and wait. Traffic will depart the crossing runway prior to you.
27, line up and wait, Brickyard 5755.
Bravo 650, Mike, turn left Tango, join Mike Foxtrot, hold short runway 4 left, and contact ground point 9.
Back Foxtrot, and official 4 left, 21-9, Bravo 650, Mike.
JetBlue 2829, traffic will hold on the crossing runway 33 left, cliff takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 33 left, JetBlue 2829.
Delta 318, contact Boston departure.
Delta 318, good day.
Good day.
Boston Tower, back 1438, visual 33 left.
1438 Boston Tower, runway 33 left, clear to land. Traffic will hold and depart the crossing runway.
Clear land, 32 left, roger traffic, record 1438.
Brickyard 5755, runway 27, cliff takeoff.
27, clear for takeoff, Brickyard 5755.
JetBlue 8595, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 27, JetBlue 8595.
JetBlue 2829, contact Boston departure.
Impressive job, good job, JetBlue 2829.
Thank you very much. Brickyard 5755, contact Boston departure.
We'll see you, Brickyard 5755.